Hi guys, this is Faithlyn with Elegance for Less. Thank you so much for joining me this evening. I want to share with you a quick and easy centerpiece. Now, this centerpiece is for Valentine's Day, but I think it's absolutely perfect for a wedding or a bridal shower. It's very simple, but yet elegant. Now, Valentine's is right around the corner. It's on Friday, and I'm having company over, and we're going to have just a little bit more elegant fondue dinner, and thought it would be great to share this centerpiece with you. So let's get started on this DIY and share what you will need. You'll need some roses, and these roses came from Walmart. They are beautiful with the little baby breaths on them. You will also need your Dollar Tree roses. They're a little bit smaller, but you will need some. You'll need your foam, and you'll need a few of these little gems. I want to incorporate these gems. They came from Hobby Lobby, and they are in the bridal section. You will need 5 of them. You will need your wire cutter, definitely. And we will get started by separating them. We want to leave some of the leaves on there as well. And about 2 inches, we're going to go ahead and separate them. Okay guys, so this is how the centerpieces turned out. Now this is not my finished product of my Valentine's tablescape, but I wanted to share with you how quick, easy, inexpensive you can create a centerpiece for an anniversary, Valentine's, or a wedding. How beautiful are these? I hope you like them. If you do, give me a thumbs up and share it with your family and friends. I truly appreciate your time, your comments, and your support. I look forward to hearing from you. Let me know what your thoughts are on this quick and easy centerpieces. Okay guys, thank you so much, and I will see you on my next DIY.